Welcome to this video on how to use call recording on the NSv Connect system. This feature must be enabled by the NSv Connect team before you can use it. Log in to the NSv Connect portal as the administrator. Choose the People menu, then select Users. Select the user that has the call recording function enabled. Click on the Settings tab. This is where you can configure the call recording function for this particular user. You can choose to never record, always record, or optionally record. Optionally record is an on-demand option that requires the user to use the DTMF keys to start and stop recording per call. Pressing *1 will start recording, and pressing *2 will stop recording. Click on Save to save your changes. To access the recorded calls, in the left navigation pane, choose the Assets menu, and select Recordings. Here you can filter the recordings to find the one you are looking for by choosing a start or end date, or by user. Clicking on the Advanced search box will allow you to search by group, by caller ID, or by the duration of the recording. For each recording, you can also click on the phone icon to click to dial. You also have the option to delete the recording or download it. Thank you for watching this video on using call recording. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at nsvconnect.com.